Hello, my name is William and welcome back to my channel, Simply the Culinarian. So, on today's segment, it's going to be a little bit of a tutorial, but I'm going to also switch at the end and it's going to also be a mukbang. So, today we're going to do some peel and eat Cajun shrimp. I got this from Walmart. It was like under $2. So I've never tried it, so I'm going to try for the first time with you guys. And let's just run through some of the things you'll need. So, for the Cajun shrimp, you'll need 1 pound of medium, uncooked, shelled, and cleaned shrimp. Now, these are not cooked. These are actually Argentina reds, so they are raw. They just have a cooked look. They also are peeled, deveined, cleaned, and ready to go. You're also going to need a half a cup of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. You're going to need about a stick of, 3/4 a stick of chopped butter. And you're going to also need a half cup chopped onions. And then you can use some sliced lemons. So, let's get started. I'm going to just start my pan with just a little bit of olive oil because I like to start all my hot pans with some olive oil. And to that, I'm just going to add that butter. Now, typically in the recipe, you're supposed to actually do this in the oven, but I'm just going to do this stovetop. I'm not going to actually do this in the oven. I'm just going to do it stovetop. I just basically want them to steam. So I just want to get everything down in there. And I'm going to open this up. Okay, look like it's got some green onions and some Creole seasoning, or Cajun seasoning, not Creole. Stir that up. And to this, I'm just gonna go ahead and add those shrimp right into the pot. Just gonna kind of let them just baste in that sauce. Now, I know that came with a seasoning pack, but I'm going to do what I usually do, and I'm going to add a little more salt and pepper to make sure it's fully seasoned. I'm also going to hit it with a little bit of slap your mama. This is extra hot, so I'm not going to hit it with much. But I like a little extra kick sometimes. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of that. Make sure these arrange in a single layer. And I'm just going to asphyxiate these lemons on top of here. And from there, I'm just going to put the lid on and I'm going to let it steam for about maybe 8 to 10 minutes just until the shrimp are done cooking. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plate it and I'm going to come back with you guys and do the mukbang. All right? Just to give you a little sneak peek. Oh, yeah. See, they kind of made their own little sauce. I'd say these are about ready. Just gonna get them plated up, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So, I am done with the peel and eat shrimp. Let me just let let y'all just get a glimpse of that. They smell so good, y'all, and they are extremely hot. So I also got some Louisiana garlic butter sauce. I tasted it just a little bit beforehand. It tastes okay. We're gonna just pour a little bit up. But y'all already know I have to have my McCormick extra hot cocktail sauce. Can't get it out. Oh, I made one more thing. Give me 1 sec. Sorry about that, I'm back. But like I say, I also made me a nice little watermelon daiquiri while I eat my shrimp. So I should have had the camera this way, but if I turn it that way now, it'll be messed up. The video will be messed up. So let's go ahead and get started. And I don't know if you guys have ever had Argentina red shrimp, but I like Argentina red shrimp. They're really good. Let me try the garlic butter sauce. Let me try it, because if I don't like it now, I'm gonna let y'all know. Okay, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh, y'all gonna see me lick my fingers a lot today. These shrimp are so hot, y'all. I'm actually on vacation, so I'm just gonna sit at the house, try to, oops. There we go. I'm just gonna sit at the house, try to make some videos, and just make some good food. Now look at this, look. Look how good that is. Y'all, these are so good. Argentina red shrimps are so much better than the regular white shrimp. They have like a lobster flavor. If you ever eaten lobster, or if you enjoy lobster, they have a nice buttery, rich taste. I promise you, they don't taste like regular white shrimp. You can taste the difference, and they're extremely meaty. Give me some of that good extra hot cocktail sauce. These are really good. That little pack of seasoning that I showed you guys when I cooked these, I might have to go stock up on a couple of those. It's actually pretty good. Just kind of got to get messy. Give me some of those onions and stuff. Yeah, this is pretty good. I'm not a crab eater. I like crab meat. I don't like the work, and so many people want me to do a crab mukbang, but I'm just like, I think one of my next videos is going to be a carne asada torta. For you, those of you who don't really understand a little bit of Spanish, because I don't speak Spanish, but I understand a little bit. That is basically going to be a steak sandwich, but you have to marinate the steak for at least 2 to 3 days. So it's going to be a while, a couple of days before I can actually do that video. But I do plan on doing it within the next couple of days. So you can look forward to seeing me make a carne asada torta. We'll double dip a little bit, do cocktail and butter sauce. And by the way, this was just a pound of shrimp, so they were extra large shrimp, so it's not a whole bunch in here, but it's enough for like 2 people, I would say. Oh, this is extremely hot. Me adding that extra slap your mama really gave it some kick. And just lick the sauce right off of it. I just want some of that sauce. Remember the last video I did, I used the Texas Browns, which those were good. They were just hard to peel. As you can see, these are a lot easier to peel. They were good though, but that was my first time ever trying Texas Brown shrimp. I didn't want to do any corn this time. I didn't want to do any potatoes or eggs. I just really wanted some peel and eat shrimp. Now this was a meal. It didn't need all that extra stuff. I want to try to do a mukbang with some prawns. I've never had prawns. I always thought maybe they taste weird because they're so big. If I can never find some locally, I might give it a try. The biggest thing I've seen in the store I can get is colossal size shrimp. But I've only seen the colossal size in cooked shrimp. I don't like to buy pre-cooked shrimp. I like to buy raw shrimp. That way I can control the cooking time. It's a little spicy, but not unbearable. I just want to let y'all look at that. One good time. Well, and then there was one. The final one. That was really, really, really good. My drink just sitting here melting. So, as always, like, comment, subscribe, share. Get in the comments, talk about it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what type of seafood boils that you guys do or what you like to add, or let me know some things that you all want to see me do. And I will see you guys next time.